You want to see how we make this pizza? Make sure you watch the whole video, you like and subscribe. We got this recipe and plenty of more coming through.
Alright, so we're going to be using some Pomi string tomato sauce. It is lectin-free because they use their, they peel their tomatoes and make sure not to use any of the seeds. I'm going to be having my heat on medium for this. Just give that a little stir. We will be adding onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, Italian seasoning or herbs de Provence, and some fresh basil. Some fresh organic basil. Oh, I can smell that sauce already. Now you may also use garlic salt, but if you don't, if you have them separate, then just go ahead and add salt separately. And mix that all together. Once you have done so, you can just let that simmer and thicken for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. All right, so we'll just let that simmer there for another 3 minutes.
So we got here, this is what we got. Capello's grain-free naked pizza crust made with almond flour. This is made with blanched almond flour. All right, so what we want to do, and this is good, lectin-free. So we're gonna put some of this sauce that my lovely wife made. It's so awesome. I tasted it, beautiful. I like to be generous with the sauce. I like to make messes too, always. You know, if I don't make a mess, it means I wasn't in the kitchen. All right, so we used to make regular pizzas all the time and we got so good, but now that we started this diet, this is the new style, the new flow. All right, so who said that we can't eat normal stuff? People think you go on a diet, you go lectin-free, and that's it. It's over, the world is over. No, look, we're cooking this beautiful pizza. Look at this. All right, I see some holes there. Wait a second. Yeah, nice. That's how I like it. All right, let's go. So we got here some goat mozzarella cheese. Did you mix the other one?
Yes.
What's the name of the other one?
It's sheep pecorino romano.
All right, let's go. So that's what we're putting in. So she shredded it. You already it came in a block, 2 blocks, but we shredded it. Also, you know, just go with it. There's a certain amount that you could do, at least an ounce per day. Then get your ounce in there. I mean, it's 2 of us, so it means I could get 2 ounces up in here, right?
Oh wow. Nice loophole.
All right, so beautiful. She shredded all these, so I'm putting all these. Or no, let's just leave it like that. We could use this for something else. Let me see. All right,
Guess not.
looks good. All right, so beautiful, perfect. Now you could put the topping that you like, of course, if it's lectin-free, but we're gonna choose to put some onions. This is some organic sweet onions. We love it. I love sweet onions. And you know, onions are healthy for you, so we love to eat some onions. Now we're gonna finish it off with some more basil. Pam, pam, pam. All right, I got them here ready. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this poof, ready for the oven. And we're gonna put them in the oven at 425 between 13 or 18 minutes. And we'll let you know how long we kept it there. All right, let's see the results. All right, whew. Look at this beauty, nice and crispy. We like it nice and crispy, so it depends on you. You want it this crispy or less on the texture. But look at this, beautiful, professional, nice. Let's cut it up. All right, let's cut this baby up.
All right, that's one slice for you.
Well, you could do it. You see, it's nice and crispy. You could do 2 slices, or you could do 8, however you decide. So there you go. You could just go with these 4 slices. You see? Let me lift one up. It's nice. It's hot, so nice. All right. So there you go. This nice lectin-free pizza.
Let's dig in.